If one of your JBL earbuds suddenly stops working, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you every fix that actually works, starting with the easiest one. Step 1. Restart both earbuds. Place both JBL earbuds back into the charging case and close the lid for about 30 seconds. After that, remove both earbuds at the same time. In many cases, one earbud stops working because the left and right earbuds did not reconnect properly. Taking them out together forces them to try pairing again. Step 2. Clean the charging contacts. If one earbud has no sound and no light, it may not be charging. Use a cotton swab with a little rubbing alcohol to gently clean the gold charging contacts on the earbud and inside the charging case. Let everything dry completely before putting the earbud back in the case. Dirt, sweat, and earwax often block the charging pins and stop one side from charging. Step 3. Charge the silent earbud. After cleaning the contacts, leave both earbuds in the case for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then test them again. Sometimes one earbud completely drains and needs extra time before it powers back on. If the earbud still does not light up, make sure it is seated correctly in the charging case. Step 4. Repair the left and right earbuds. Take both earbuds out of the case. Then tap the button or touch control on both earbuds 3 times. This creates a new connection between the left and right earbuds. JBL says this fix often solves the problem when only one earbud plays sound. Step 5. Forget the earbuds on your phone. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings, find your JBL earbuds, and tap Forget Device or Unpair. Then turn Bluetooth off and back on. After that, put the earbuds back in the case, remove them again, and reconnect them like a brand new device. An old Bluetooth connection can sometimes cause only one side to work. Step 6. Factory reset the earbuds. If the problem continues, do a full factory reset. On many JBL earbuds, take both earbuds out of the case, then double tap the right earbud and hold the third tap for more than 5 seconds until the light flashes or the earbud powers off. On older JBL models, place both earbuds in the charging case while the case is plugged in, then hold the button on the right earbud for more than 5 seconds. After the reset, pair the earbuds to your phone again. Step 7. Check the charging pins. If one earbud still will not charge, inspect the small pins inside the charging case. Sometimes they get stuck and no longer touch the earbud. Gently press the pins with a paperclip or similar small object to make sure they move up and down freely. Several JBL users found that this fixed the issue immediately.